So I am currently hiding in my closet from my 8-month-old. We are trying to get him to learn to sleep by himself. Well, not by himself, but on his own. And it's not going well, so I'm hiding in my closet. And I thought we could unbox this together. It's the FabFitFun Style box, which is kind of a knockoff of Stitch Fix. Because it's very similar. You get the $20 that you have to pay for the styling fee. You get 5 items. If you buy all of them, you get a 25% discount. And I was offered this because I spend too much money on the FabFitFun website, and they knew that I would probably spend money if they sent me one of these. I don't know if they're offering this style box to everybody, but I'm sure it will be coming out soon if they don't. So I did already open this one time in film earlier today, but I accidentally deleted the video. So we're going to do it again like I didn't open it. So I reconstructed it. Ooh, just dropped everything out. So it is very similar to Stitch Fix. You get the return bag that's already got the shipping label on it. You get a personalized note from a stylist. And then you get this, which kind of goes over the prices of the items. It's got this like super fancy little paper clip on it. But basically $20 goes towards the price of any item you love. Drop off the prepaid envelope at any FedEx location, and you get 25% off if you keep it all. So we will open this again and take a look. It does come wrapped up. Obviously I opened it already, but 5 items. And the first item is this periwinkle like twist front top, and it's by the brand Hummingbird, and they gave me a large in this, and I normally am a large, but this is like a large. It's almost like an extra large or a 2X, to be honest. But it's very soft material, and if this were the right size, I'd be very tempted. But I will try it on for you guys. So that's the periwinkle Hummingbird. And then we have our just black denim, and these are, do they say anything special? Michaela boyfriend jeans. So they are distressed a little bit, and they're the most beautiful wash. This is like my favorite color wash of jeans. So they're actually like good jean material, you can tell. They do have like the holes in the knees, but they're very well done holes. They're not, like, I can tell they're not gonna just rip super easy. Alright, and then we have this really beautiful flowy, it's called Sweet Rain top, and it's see-through, but it's like long sleeved, and it's got ruffles on the shoulders and the elbows, and then like a cinched little cuff for the sleeve. It's so pretty. Like the colors together are like this beautiful blue, mauvey greens and creams. This is just gorgeous. They did a really good job. And then the last, oh no, there's 2 more. So this item is a very pretty, do you guys hear him screaming? Oh, it's so hard. Suede jacket. It's a Lucy drape front suede jacket. It is suede. It's super soft and buttery. It's from a brand called Mystery, and this is what it looks like. So it does have that asymmetrical zipper, and just look at the quality of this. Like, it is so smooth. So I will try that on too. It's Ooh, I just love this. I don't think I've ever bought anything like suede before, but I'm going to in the future. And then this last one is a Pole, P-O-L, that's the brand, and it's a sky lightweight knit sweater. And let me just show you the size of this. The camera might not even show all of it. Do you see how wide this is? Now, I'm all for an oversized chunky sweater, like maybe off the sleeve, but this is a large, and it's just the most awkwardly shaped thing I've ever seen. And it does have these little tie front, like you can scrunch up the front if you want, which is kind of unique. It's a very wide or loose knit cable sweater. It's creamy off-white. I will try it on for you, but I don't want to. So we'll try those on. Oh, I just bumped the camera. I will go ahead and get some clothes on. I am going to check on that screamer in the background if you can't hear him. Be right back. I have put on the first outfit, which includes this periwinkle flowy front twist shirt, and then the just black jeans. So here is the shirt. It's really comfortable. It's such a cozy fabric, and I do love this color. It's just soft and fun. So it's a little bit of a oversized tunic, covers the butt. It would be very cute with leggings, like a kind of like a loungy around the house type outfit, which kind of puts me off because these I could find anywhere, you know, these cozy type outfits. But the jeans, I love these jeans. Very cute. So we'll try on another outfit. Here we have the oversized cream sweater. I'm assuming that you wear it off the shoulder, seeing as how it's so big. It has to be one of those things that it's just a super baggy sweater, because this is a large, but it fits more like a, I'm not sure what it fits more like. The tassels are kind of unique. I'm not sure if anyone would actually like scrunch it up like that. Probably not. And then perhaps we could roll these up for just like a really chunky, slouchy feel. See how it looks all the way around? It kind of like, the shape is strange. So this I absolutely love. As soon as I put it on, I knew I loved it. We have the ruffles by the elbows, on the shoulders, a little ruffle around the collar. It's just so pretty. And I am wearing a little undershirt bodysuit situation for this, which you have to. But I'm still wearing these jeans. The colors are very pretty. So this is very, I'm probably gonna purchase this. It's so pretty, so pretty. And I'm just gonna throw this suede jacket over to see how it fares. Oh, this shirt's just so pretty. I don't want to cover it up, but so is the suede jacket. So this is the fabric. It's like, oh, it's so soft. Soft and buttery. I have this tag. Okay. So you could wear it open. Have the like waterfall front. And then it has this asymmetrical zipper, which we'll try it out. It's so smooth. Oh, you gotta be careful not to zip into it because it's such a like buttery fabric. It's so fluid. Okay, so I'm sure there's a few different ways to wear this since it's so fluid. It's kind of hard to decide how to wear it because obviously you could go all the way up if you wanted and just kind of, you know, doesn't really do anything for this area. So I'd probably zip it down. Yeah, probably like that. It's just so smooth and beautiful. And it's really thin. It's a very thin jacket. Thanks for sticking with me. I'm back to the normal clothes. I just want to go over the prices and then we'll be all done. So FabFitFun sends them like the prices and this little note with that paper clip. It says the twist front short sleeve top in light blue is $42. The sky lightweight knit sweater, the oversized chunky white awkwardly shaped sweater, they say it's in the color cream, which makes sense, is $48. The Lucy Drape front suede jacket is $68. The Michaela boyfriend jean in light wash is $78, so almost $80 for those jeans. I believe it. They were very nicely made and just quality jeans, I could tell. I will check out that brand outside of FabFitFun. And then the mock neck floral blouse, which I think was my favorite out of everything, was $49. So everything together was about $285. So $285 minus that 25% discount, minus my $20 fee that was already taken out of my bank account, would be $193.75 for all 5 pieces. So it's a little bit more expensive than my Stitch Fix usually. My Stitch Fixes are around $160 with the discount if you buy all 5, just like kind of in that range. So it's a little bit more expensive, but I think the pieces were more quality pieces and more suited to my style, at least comparing this box to my Stitch Fix box that I unboxed yesterday. So this was kind of fun to do back to back. I think my favorite was that blouse. I'm gonna sleep on it because I make better decisions after 24 hours. If I decide now, I'll probably just keep everything. So gotta slow it down and make a good choice. So that was the FabFitFun style box, my first time trying it, and I am very impressed. I will try it again. Keep trying it with comparing it to Stitch Fixes. They're very similar. Yeah, so far so good. If you enjoyed this video, like it, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see any future content.